Academic language has to be precise, unambiguous and replicable, objective, cohesive, economical and exhaustive, clear and correct. Here is an extremely short review of the 6 points. Each point is pretty complex, so don't forget to put the video on hold at any time if you need to. Of course, you always have to check with your teacher or supervisor about the traditions within your specific field of study. Having said that, it's time to consider how to make your academic language precise, unambiguous, replicable. For example, by using references, definitions, the same terms for the same things, giving evidence for your claims. For instance, statements from disciplinary authorities or other research. You can read more about evidence and claims in the video on academic argumentation in the link collection. Using research meta-communication. I'll talk more about this in the 6th film. Using field terms, subject-specific terminology. Avoiding generalizations, undue abstractions, clichés, figurative language and colloquial language. Using academic text types, summaries, analyses, discussions, evaluations and so on. I'll return to these in the next video on Bloom's taxonomy. You can also try to make your academic language objective, avoiding loaded expressions, assessments without disciplinary argumentation and agitating phrases, avoiding imprecise and unconcrete text types such as denigrating, worshipping and popularizing, avoiding contagion from your sources. It is important for your academic language to be cohesive, so that you say what you mean with a focus, a theme, one thing at a time, governed by points. You should also take care to write progressively. In other words, writing something known before something unknown, concrete before abstract, and remembering to introduce new themes and concepts, and use argumentational and structural markers. Therefore, because, also, hereafter, partly, first of all. Economical, exhaustive language. Make sure you avoid irrelevant information, fillers, repetitions, broad knowledge, warm-up text, while still managing to introduce all the relevant information. For your academic language to be clear, avoid sentences longer than 20 to 25 words. You can also use the active voice with an I subject when you do or say something in the assignment. Avoid unnecessary nominalization. This is when you turn a verb into a noun, for instance, saying X is a demonstration of Y instead of X demonstrates Y. Use a reasonable amount of textual metacommunication, how your text is structured and why. Correct language. Abide by the accepted conventions of spelling and punctuation.